Many children speak in different languages at school, at home, and with their friends. This video series aims to help educators understand how different languages shape our understanding of a place, a group of people, and the individual child. How formal and everyday use of different languages shape children's confidence to express themselves. How the way we teach shapes children's language skills and spontaneous use of different languages. How a whole school must work together when a child's natural language of comfort is different from the school language. This is a self-learning video series. It is organized into 4 modules. Each module is made up of 4 units, covering specific themes related to multilingualism. This is the first module in our series. We will be covering interesting themes such as diversity in language and identities associated with language. In our everyday world, some of the languages we use are often thought of as more prestigious. Some languages become dominant, while others are marginalized. In multilingual environments, children could code switch. They do this by mixing 2 languages into one sentence or saying the first sentence in one language and the next in another. As you work through this module, please reflect on what happens when children know more than one language. Language learning rarely happens in unconnected parallel pathways. Traces of one language are often found in the other languages being learned. Language exposure makes multilingualism natural. Becoming multilingual means knowing the words, grammar, and spoken accents of more than one language. It also means becoming aware of which language to use with whom and when. Code switching is a natural phenomena in multilingual children. A natural way to accommodate all the languages known to a multilingual child is to let them switch languages in the classroom.
ನಾನು ಯಾರು?
ಅಜ್ಜ.
Where is my Nanni Shavya? Where is my Choti Shringa?
Here.
What I have noticed is that learning more than one language is easy for children. For example, a child whose parents and grandparents speak in 2 different languages at home begins to understand and speak both languages.
Yes, children are like sponges. If they are exposed to multiple languages at the same time, they learn them all together. If they encounter languages in a sequence, like with the arrival of a new playmate, then their learning is sequential. But they learn all the same. The age at which a child will become multilingual depends mainly on their first encounter with a new language.
What often surprises me is that a child not only learns words, grammar, and accents in more than one language, he or she knows which language to use with whom.
Absolutely. Multilingual children can not only speak in the right language with the right person, but also the right variety within a language.
ಇದು ನಾನು ಅಜ್ಜ. Bhaiya, please play with us.
For example, children may speak in one language at home, a variant of that on the playground, and the standard form of that language in the classroom.
देखो माँ बाबा ने मुझे क्या दिया है. भाई देखो बिग बॉस का तोहफा. मेरे जन्मदिन पर पिताजी ने एक नई फुटबॉल उपहार में दी है.
When a child switches from a casual variant of a language to a more formal one within the same language, we see an example of heteroglossia.
What's up, bro? Namaste. How are you doing today, Akka?
Children are as deeply social and communicative as adults, switching from casual language to formal language within one language.
What's up, bro? और बताओ क्या हो रहा है?
I have also noticed that even though individual languages have distinct codes of sound and grammar, children stay true to these rules even when they move from one language to the next. When one sentence is in one language and the next one in another, it is called code switching, isn't it?
Why don't you come to my house tomorrow morning? मैं सोच रहा था
कि परीक्षा की तैयारी साथ करेंगे?
Yes, and the rules of languages are followed even when codes are mixed within a sentence.
गुड आइडिया। साढ़े 9 तक आई विल बी एट योर हाउस, ठीक है?